Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and the subject today we are studying is Cambridge O Levels Physics 5054. We are working on the chapter The Solar System. This is the new chapter which is added into the syllabus and it will be tested from the exams from May June 2023. So, we are working on different planets, and now is the turn of the Jupiter. So, Jupiter is a gigantic planet, 142,984 kilometer across. Its orbit takes 11.86 years and varies between 740.9 and 815.7 million kilometer from the sun. Its surface is often pierced by huge lightning flashes and thunderclaps, and temperatures here plunge to minus 150 degrees centigrade. So here is a photo of the red, great red spot on the Jupiter. The biggest planet in the solar system, Jupiter, is twice as heavy as all the other planets put together. Jupiter has no surface for spacecraft to land on because it is made mostly of hydrogen and helium gas. The massive pull of Jupiter's gravity squeezes the hydrogen so hard that it is actually a liquid. Towards Jupiter's core, immense pressure makes the liquid hydrogen behave like a metal. The ancient Greeks originally named the planet Zeus after the king of their gods. Jupiter was the Roman name for Zeus. Jupiter spins around in less than 10 hours, which means that the surface is moving at nearly 50,000 km per hour. The middle of Jupiter bulges out because it spins so fast. It churns up the planet's metal core and generates a magnetic field 10 times stronger than the Earth's. Jupiter has a great red spot. This is the great red spot, a huge swirl of red clouds measuring more than 40,000 kilometers across. The scientist, the scientist Robert Hooke first noticed the spot in 1644. Jupiter is so big that the pressure at its core makes it very hot. The planet gives out heat, but not enough to make it glow. If it were 100 times bigger, nuclear reactions would occur at its core and turn it into a star. From 1995 to 2003, the Galileo space probe orbited Jupiter and sent back data on the planet and its moon. Galileo spotted Jupiter's four biggest moons in the 17th century. Their names are Ganymede, Callisto, Io, and Europa. Jupiter also has 59 other smaller moons, and they are all very small and icy. Only 44 have been given names: Ganymede, Callisto, Io, Europa. These are the four biggest moons of the Jupiter. Jupiter's Galilean moons. Io's yellow glow comes from sulfur, which is thrown out as far as 300 kilometers upwards by the moon's volcanoes. The Galilean moons are the four biggest of Jupiter's moons. They were discovered by Galileo centuries before the astronomers identified the other smaller ones. Ganymede is the biggest of the Galilean moons at 5,262 kilometers across. It is larger than the planet Mercury. Ganymede looks solid, but under its shell of ice is 900 kilometers of slushy ice and water. At 4,806 kilometers across, Callisto is the second biggest moon. Callisto is scarred with craters from bombardments early in the solar system's life. Io is the third biggest moon at 3,642 kilometers across. The surface of Io is a mass of volcanoes caused by it being stretched and squeezed by Jupiter's massive gravity. The smallest of Galilean moons is Europa at 3,138 kilometers across. Europa has a smooth, icy surface full of cracks, but the Galileo probe discovered an ocean of water under the ice where there might be living creatures. A crater called Valhalla on Callisto is so big that it makes the moon look like an eyeball. So this is all about the Jupiter and its moons. My dear students, I will suggest you watch more and more videos from the YouTube on the solar system and its planets and their moons that will help you to understand this chapter. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a good day. God bless you all.